Calvo discussed how the government was sick, and today nearly a dozen of the team members in Panel to Find a Cure discussed in detail what ideas they hope to be part of the remedy. Leading the team to find a concoction of cuts is Chief Fiscal Advisor Bernie Otero, who says within the task force are a series of committees with specific assignments to find savings.
We're looking at areas to shave off up to $43 million in annual expenditures. And if we improve services and we get everything in place as we hope that they would work out, there will be savings.
The bulk of the work for the overall task force lies in the Process Improvement and Outsourcing Committee, which sets out to work with GovGuam employees to streamline operations and remove redundancies while understanding where cuts can be made and how to improve services.
It helps all of us now to see maybe there was a problem in this agency. And so how do we fix those issues?
The committee's first stops will be at DOA, Rev and Tax, Public Health, the Airport, GMH, and Public Works. And while the directive back in April noted the $43 million in cuts would surely result in layoffs, today the Committee on Education and Worker Displacement stated that it's completed its findings and plan of action, but might not be necessary as layoffs would be on the bottom of the list of cuts, whereas savings and cuts in other areas might not even lead to layoffs. AHRD's Director Alfredo Antolin.
First one is on-site intervention planning. Second one is employee information meetings, and then access to services. So like what Lynn said, we're ready to step on, but we're going to be the last subcommittee to step in as soon as you give us numbers.
DOA Acting Human Resources Administrator Shane Natta noted that although people have already shown interest, nothing is finalized and everything discussed at this point is still just talk.
The key this time is how to make it work with the least amount of cost impact while it still being an incentive for the employees to actually opt for. All of that is a hard task.
Meanwhile, the task force has a draft report that examines cost savings by eliminating or reducing premium pay in the public safety agencies and nurses while simultaneously implementing the HAY plan for all of GovGuam.
You have to make that solid so any changes and benefits that we may recommend, it can have an accurate account as far as how much we'll actually save.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.